So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find the merger and acquisition news here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and press on the gray arrow. Then go down to where it says Market News and then press on, go to the bottom to where it says Merger and Acquisition News. So once you're here, you can simply go ahead and view the latest news regarding merger and acquisition. So there's a bunch of different stocks here. There's Apple, BTM, etc. So there's a bunch of different ticker symbols in regards to mergers and acquisitions. So if you want to view a bunch of different information or a bunch of different articles regarding mergers. So for example, Apple Hospitality REIT acquires Homewood Suites by Hilton Tampa Brandon for $18.8 million. Another example could be Bitcoin Depot buys assets of regional crypto ATM operator. Whatever the case may be, the latest news regarding mergers and acquisitions is here on this page. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find merger and acquisition news on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.